Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn English 360. Let's upgrade your English now.
Stop saying this. Very good, very bad, and very big. In just 5 minutes, you will sound more fluent. Don't say very good, say amazing. Example, this food is amazing. Don't say very bad, say terrible or awful. The movie was terrible. Instead of very big, we can say huge or massive. Example, that house is huge. Don't say very small, say tiny. Example, the room is tiny. Instead of saying very tired, say exhausted. Example, I am exhausted. Instead of saying very hungry, we can say starving. Example, I am starving. Don't say very cold, say freezing. Example, it's freezing today. Instead of saying very hot, say boiling. Example, it's boiling outside. Don't say very funny, say hilarious. Example, that joke is hilarious. Don't say very smart, say brilliant. Example, she is brilliant. Now you know 10 powerful English words. Try using them in your daily conversation. Comment below which word will you use today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.